In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add audio to your Canva presentation just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I just created this Canva presentation as you can see, and I want to add audio to this Canva presentation. It's really super easy, guys. You just need to follow those steps and let's get started. So what you need to do to add audio to this Canva presentation, just click over here. You have elements, you have text, brand, you have upload. Okay, click on uploads like this and click over here on upload file and upload the audio from your laptop that you want to add to this Canva presentation. Okay, so I already have a lot of audios here. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one.
Fact number 1.
I want, for example, to add this audio to my Canva presentation. I will click over here on open and your audio will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your audio like this and here you go. Your audio will be under your Canva presentation and it's really super easy. That's how you can add audio to your Canva presentation and it's really super easy, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and after you finish you can click over here on share and scroll down, click over here on download, and you need to download this Canva presentation as a video, okay, not as PDF. If you download this Canva presentation as PDF, video or audio will be not working in this Canva presentation. So make sure to download this Canva presentation as a video. So to do that, go over here to file tape and click over here and scroll down and make sure to choose this one, MP4 video, like this. And here you go, click over here on download and this Canva presentation with audio will be downloaded to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. That's how we can add audio to your Canva presentation, and see you in my next video.